Good morning. I'm going to demonstrate to you about this BMW. It's a station wagon. Some people call it a caravan. You can look at this beautiful BMW. Silver color. Alloy wheels. Tinted glasses. This is how it looks from its back. Here we go. All right. I'll show you from the back side. There you go. This is the front part of the car. It's a left-hand drive car. It's automatic transmission. All right. Okay, let me show you from the inside. All right. This is the key. So we have it is the newest style key. You have to insert it in this hole here, and then to start the engine you have to put your leg on the brake, and then you push this, so the car started. There we go. It has a climate control. Like you see, you can set the temperature like you want it. It has a CD player, a radio. Okay, both sides, left and right temperature. To stop the engine, you just press it again. To take out the key, you don't just pull it, you have to pull it and then take it out. Okay? Now it's inside. To take it out, you don't pull it. You push it and then you pull it. Okay, it has controls here on the steering wheel. You can find out all in the manual. All right. There's power windows and power doors. Okay. All right. It has a remote control key. To open it, you just press this, then you open it from here. Here we go. This is how this beautiful car looks like. It's already sold to Gambia. It's going to port today. All right. If you have any questions, please send us a message. Thank you so much. Giza Auto Export Service in Germany. Bye.